rather? Would you rather? Oh, choices. Ooh. This one, this one. I don't know. Now, let's choose one. Oh, would you rather? Would you rather be a teacher or a doctor? A teacher or a doctor? Choose. Teacher, doctor. Ooh. Okay, teachers. Okay. I would rather be a teacher.
Be a teacher.
Nice. Okay. Now, Clémence, choose a number. Choose a number.
Number 11.
Okay, number 11. Can you read number 11?
Would you rather play basketball or baseball?
Where is basketball?
Basketball or baseball?
Okay, Okay, so I can say I would rather play basketball.
Play basketball.
I would rather play baseball.
Ooh, okay, excellent. Now, a twist. Let's have the students really be the teacher, okay? Leonie, you are the teacher.
Yes.
Choose a number.
I would choose number 8.
Okay.
Would you rather eat ice cream or cake?
Yeah. So, I would rather
eat ice cream.
Yes, ice cream.
I would rather eat cake. Yes, I would rather eat cake. Okay, so we have a list here that you can find in the Linguish Projects if you have the Linguish Projects. Otherwise, you can come up with, of course, your own list depending on the level of your kids. You can have it super simple. Would you rather be a lion or a giraffe? Or you can have it, a bit harder if your students have a higher level of English. Okay? Have fun. Bye.